It's a view from the floor here at the New York Stock Exchange, and I am joined by Osaic's Anthony Macaluso. And Anthony, let's start with AI here. AI is pretty volatile these days, but is the AI trade losing steam, or do you think this is a healthy reset?
Sure. So I'll tell you this, Michelle. I don't believe that the AI trade is losing steam. To me, the AI trade is growing and evolving. Always with, technology, you have three phases. Ultimately, you deal with excitement as the first phase, the second phase being expectation, and the third phase being about accountability. I don't think it's losing steam, but I will tell you, as the industry continues to grow, people are now looking at earnings from an expectation point and accountability. Right now, there are leaders in the market. However, we will find out who are the ones that are always going to continue to maintain revenue, grow their expectations according to earnings, and accountability is who's going to be the market leader.
There have been plenty of macro risks out there, but why do you think the market still has been so resilient?
Look, the market's resilient because as earnings have proven to us, it's always about future expectations and not about what's going in the market right now. Right now, as the market continues to climb higher, there are multiple worries, right? We have geopolitical issues, we have higher interest rates, and even though unemployment continues to stay low, there are worries in the world.
The rate conversation now has shifted from cuts to higher for longer. What does this exactly mean now for investors?
Higher for longer could be, one of two things. As we've seen, super cash flow positive companies that are maintaining good balance sheets, they're the ones that always remain resilient. So at this point, higher interest rates are paying off for people that are long-time savers, right? Bond savers, interest rates, money market accounts are doing well. But I don't think the higher interest rate talk is going to mean lower expectation for stock prices.
What are your thoughts right now on the mega cap tech space?
Sure. So while the mega cap tech space to me may seem a little bit overcrowded, what you also have to realize is this also brings opportunities to the other sectors. So while mega tech, the leaders continue to remain resilient, you have such pockets in the market as the financials, the industrials, and healthcare. That to me, there's more opportunities becoming available in the market besides AI.
With everything that's going on right now in the market, what do you think one of the biggest mistakes could be for investors?
Sure. So I think one of the biggest mistakes right now for investors is waiting, right? Everybody's waiting for either the next data announcement, right? Market change, rate cuts. But at this point right now, investors who remain patient are the ones that make off, right? While the ones who are waiting for an individual event to happen are the ones that are really losing in the long game.
Anthony, thank you so much for your time and your insight.
Thank you, Michelle.
And that'll do it for us here at the New York Stock Exchange with Asset TV. I'm Michelle Yu. We'll see you next time.